Hi folks, it's Harvey with Fourth Dimension Detailing in Westminster. We just finished this 2021 Volvo Xc40. It's only got 21,000 miles. Came in here with sap all over it, and didn't have any protection on it, so we spent a lot of time prepping the vehicle, getting it ready for the paint correction. Once we corrected the paint, we also prepped the trim, prepped the wheels, and we coated the trim, coated the wheel faces, and we just finished putting our permanent Borafine coating on here by Nano Pro. So this vehicle is really looking good. So if you're interested in having this done to your vehicle, just give Harvey a call at 410-596-5454.